The Cerna series of microscopes have been designed with modularity in mind, so that optimizing your scope to match your experiments is quick and easy. Every build starts with a vertical support rail, available in 4 different heights, that provides a 95mm dovetail mounting surface for modules that can change the optical path. The top of the rail is designed to accommodate a variety of breadboards where you can mount and assemble your selected illumination module. Cage systems make for an easy way to mount cameras for sample viewing. Attaching components to the vertical support rail, like objective holders and stages, can all be done with an appropriate ball driver. The modularity of the Cerna system supports a wide variety of illumination sources, filters, objectives, and other components, and a full Cerna system can be easily assembled in under 5 minutes. The Cerna series of microscopes are an excellent option for custom experimental design.